Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take omega-3 capsules for weight loss. First, understand that omega-3 fatty acids can support your weight management journey when combined with a healthy lifestyle. We'll cover the optimal dosage, the best time to take them for maximum absorption, and how to integrate them into your daily routine for the best possible outcomes. Let's get started on your path to better health. When considering dosage, aim for a daily intake of 2,000 to 3,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. These are the active components in omega-3 that offer the most benefits. Always select a high-quality supplement that has undergone third-party testing to ensure purity and potency. It's also wise to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best dosage for your individual needs and health goals. For optimal absorption, it's best to take your omega-3 capsules with a meal that contains some dietary fat. This helps your body process the fatty acids more effectively. You might also consider splitting your daily dose, taking half with breakfast and half with dinner, to improve absorption and minimize any potential digestive discomfort. Consistency is truly important, so make it a regular part of your routine. Remember, omega-3 capsules are a supplement, not a magic pill. For the best weight loss results, integrate them into a comprehensive healthy lifestyle. This includes maintaining a balanced diet rich in whole foods, engaging in regular physical activity, and ensuring you get adequate sleep. These combined efforts will significantly enhance the benefits of omega-3 and support your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.